Hello everybody. Now I'm going to teach you how to find the other endpoint when you're given a midpoint and an endpoint. Alright, the first thing you want to do is properly label what your endpoint values are and what your midpoint values are. So my endpoint is going to be x1 and y1, but my midpoint you're just going to simply label it as x and y. All right, so then you're going to plug in your x1 and your y1 into the midpoint formula. So it'll be -1 plus x2, because you don't have x2, divided by 2, comma, 7 plus y2, because again, you don't have y2, divided by 2, close parentheses. All right, now, you do have the midpoint, which is your x and your y. So you'll take -1 plus x2 divided by 2, and set it equal to the x value, which in this case is 2. And then you solve for x2. Now you're always going to multiply both sides by 2, so make that a habit, to cancel out the denominator, and you'll get -1 plus x2 equals 4. And then to solve for x2, you simply add 1 to both sides. So in this case, your x2 is going to equal 5. Then you do the same thing for your y value. So you'll have 7 plus y2 divided by 2, set it equal to the y value, which is 4. And then to solve for y2, like I said, you're going to make it a habit. You're always going to multiply both sides by 2 to cancel out that denominator. So you get 7 plus y2 equals 8. To solve for y2, you'll have to subtract 7 on both sides, and then your y2 is going to equal 1. So therefore, your midpoint is going to be, your endpoint is going to be 5, 1.